Want to play Garena Free Fire in your phone but don't know how to download it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming AZ. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to download Garena Free Fire on iOS or Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. After that, tap on the search button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar and type Garena Free Fire. Then tap on the Garena Free Fire again. Now click on the install button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time. Now Garena Free Fire has been installed in your phone. You can start to play by tapping on the play button. And that's how you can download Garena Free Fire in iOS or Android. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.